And today we'll be talking about that stuff, about the things, about metals, non-metals, and metalloids. The first thing that we're going to be talking about are metals. First thing you should know about metals are its physical properties. They are luster, malleable, and they're also ductile. They also conduct electricity and heat. They're mostly solid at room temperature. So one example of metal is gold. So gold is used for jewelry, computers, and it's also used for astronaut helmets to protect them from the sun's heat. Another example of a metal is uranium. It is used for radioactive nuclear weapons, and it also generates electricity. It is a dense metal, so it is used for the ballast of a ship. Another example of a metal is Li lithium. It is used for medications to treat mental illness, bipolar disorder, and depression.
Now to you, Joe.
Thank you, Metal Man. I am Joe, and I'll be talking to you about the metalloids.
The first thing you need to know about metalloids are the physical properties. The physical properties of metalloids are that they are solid at room temperature and they can act as an electrical conductor under certain circumstances. And they also have the same physical properties of metals and non-metals. One example of a metalloid is germanium. And incidentally, I'm from Germania. Germanium was used in World War II high-resolution radar receivers, and it was also used for camera lenses.
Oh, ja.
One example of a metalloid is arsenic. It is found on the Earth's crust that I dance on. Also, it is rumored that Napoleon Bonaparte was poisoned by arsenic. Who'd know? What if he was really poisoned? Also, it is also found in rat poison and insecticides. Another example of a metalloid is boron. It is used to ignite rockets, and it gives a green color when burned. It is also used for the lovely slime we all love to play with. Look how jiggly that is. Also, Professor Artem Oganov says this chemical or element is truly schizophrenic element. Sorry, schizophrenic element. It does not know what it wants to do.
Over to you, Charlie.
Thanks, Joe. And we'll be talking about non-metals. Whee! Whee! That was so fun. So we'll be talking about the properties of non-metals.
The physical properties of non-metals is that they are brittle, they are poor conductors, and they are mostly gas at room temperature.
Not that kind of gas.
One example of a non-metal is helium. We use it in party balloons, and we also use it for astronaut helmets for solar heat.
Helium is dug out of the ground from Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, and Wyoming.
Another example of a non-metal is neon. Neon is for advertising as in neon signs, and only the red signs contain pure neon. Another example of a non-metal is nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up 78% of the Earth's atmosphere that you breathe. And it also makes ammonia, which makes fertilizers. I'm Joe and I'm back to tell you the 3 vocabulary words. And to tell you a secret, I don't really like Charlie. Also, luster. Luster is the way a mineral reflects light from its surface. Like this. But it's not a mineral. And also, tactile. Ductile. It is a term used to describe a material that can be pulled into a long wire. The next vocabulary word. The next vocabulary word is malleable. Malleable is a term used to describe a material that can be hammered or rolled into a flat sheet, like this aluminum. I don't need that anymore, and I will recycle that. It is used to generate. Sorry, something's in my nose. Another example of a metal is Li lithium. It is used to generate.
Another example of a nonmetal is nitrogen and
Ge germanium. Incidentally, I am from Germania. And these were used.
Yeah.
Oh. Oops.
Cut.